So for this game hat trick, the only thing you're gonna need is a hat and your body. That's the only supplies you're gonna need. Materials is a hat and your foot. The objective or the goal is for your foot for you to place your hat on your foot, and you're gonna kick it up. And what you're gonna try to do is try to land it on top of your head. Now it seems pretty easy, but until you guys start doing it, I guarantee it's gonna get harder than it looks. All right, so stay tuned and I'm gonna go and try this challenge. Check it out.
Got it.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hopefully I can get on my first try. We'll see. All right, drop a comment below. Let me know if you think I'm gonna get it on my first try. Second try, third try, or 100th time, I don't know. First time doing it. So, again, this name of the activity is hat trick. Look at that. First try, not perfect, but it's on the side. So I can say, yeah, I passed, I got it in my first try, but I'm not. I'm gonna do it better. So that lands perfectly on top of my head, okay? Also, I want to highly recommend that you guys be careful of the bill. You don't want the bill to hit your face. It does hurt, okay? So let's try it again. Put it on my foot. I'm gonna kick up towards the sky. And hopefully I land it. Did not that second time. Not that time. And as you can see, it gets harder and harder every single time you do it. Just do your best. And let me know what you guys think of the game. All right, so Jordan has his hat. He's gonna go to give a shot. Check it out. Oh, pretty close. I like that. He bent down, he squatted down, tried to catch it. Again, your whole body's gonna move. Your whole torso is gonna move. Everything's gonna move. So you're actually giving yourself a workout without even knowing it. If you want to challenge yourself and you have somebody available to play with you, you can actually do hat tricks with a partner. One person is going to have the hat on their foot. They're going to kick it up, towards their partner, and the partner's going to actually have it be caught on their head. So again, that's a good way to do it. You can do it by points, or you guys can do a 1 minute challenge to see how many times you guys can get on the other person's head in 1 minute. It's completely up to you. Those are all different options, different challenges. But again, the main idea of this game is for you to get the hat on your head, okay? All right, so here's the partner activity. I have my hat at my foot. I'm gonna toss it over and Jordan's gonna try to catch it on his head. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, fell off. Very close, almost on the first try. I'm gonna get 3 turns and then I'm gonna go and switch and let Jordan get 3 turns as well. Oh, so close again. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.